Moses' Mailbag.
Hi, welcome to the Mailbag. I just got back from Ottawa after picking up a dry hopped sour ale from Floral Hall Brewing, and now I'm ready to answer your questions. Today's question comes from Seamus in Waterloo. He writes, I already keep my balls in a sack, but I'm looking for an added layer of protection. What can you recommend? The first line of protection for your balls is always the ball sack, but for those looking for a little more, I have designed this plastic cup. And to keep the cup securely in place, I have designed this cloth strap. Simply place the cup inside of the cloth strap, wrap it around your balls, and you are securely protected. Now with the added bulk of the cup, you might have trouble fitting your ball sack into your pocket, but the beauty of this design is that you can wear it. Ready to roll. Keep those questions coming.